Goniometrical functions and formulas are widely used in mathematics, and these basic functions, they are represented either in degrees or in radians. And to show you that difference, we have implemented examples in the TactileView example list of grids for both types of scales. Therefore, we go to the Draw Graph tool, either from the menu or from the toolbar. We select the Formulas and Graphs option, and we select the scale for the x-axis in degrees. And now we are going to search for the just the plain sinus formula. So we select this one, and when we see that in the example, we just accept it for now, so we can insert it in the main document or in our current document. So there you have your graph plotted from the sinus wave in degrees. And standard wave is from 0 to 360 degrees, and in the axis value you can see also this indications of degrees. When we now go to this example again and changing the formula, we can change the scale type to radians, and it's something you have to get used to present the scale in radians or in degrees, but basically the graph is plotted the same, it has the same shape, but the value along the x-axis in this case ranges from 0 to 2 pi.